Alright, in this video we're gonna go over the different platforms that are allowing you to buy and sell NFTs right now. And let's start with OpenSea. So OpenSea is perhaps the most popular one right now out of everything. The most volume traded was on OpenSea. Everyone I know personally love OpenSea. And well, rightfully so. It's very simple. It's on the Ethereum blockchain, which is the most popular cryptocurrency that is used to buy and sell NFTs. The only problem with Ethereum is the high gas fees. That's basically transaction fees. And aside from that, it's fast, it's reliable, so it's just the go-to for now. But other platforms are already popping up and they're doing really well. So that's where we go into the second one. That would be Solana Art. So Solana Art is basically on the Solana blockchain. So you could see the sales, you could see the numbers here, which is also insane if you compare to anything else out there. And there are some really big projects like Aurora, which also another project that I was involved in, and I did 10x of the initial mint. So right now you can see these are the recently listed ones. So if we sorted by last price, high to low, yeah, so let's do last price, high to low. So this one is 2,999. And at the time of this recording, I believe Solana is around 200 something. So just do the math. 200 times that by 2,000. 200 times that by 999. So it's crazy that how well this is doing. And one thing I noticed about Solana is a lot of games that are based on NFTs are on the Solana blockchain, and they're doing really well also. And you have Soulpunks, you have the Ape Academy, and there's a lot. There's new collections that are coming as well. And then you have Rarible, another very popular platform for buying and selling NFTs. You see the top collections here. Again, Bored Ape Yacht Club is here. I mean, rightfully so. It's the most popular one. But you have all these other ones that are doing great. And again, all it really comes down to is getting into a project at the right time. Because if you get in early, that's when you will get crazy perks from the community. You will get a lot of benefits if you are early in a project, because as an early supporter, most projects give a lot of giveaways, special attributes, traits, so on. But we'll get into that. But you have Rarible right here. So OpenSea, the most popular one. Solana Art, also really big. And lastly is Coinbase. I mean, I'm sure you know what Coinbase is at this point. Who doesn't? It's the most popular platform for trading crypto, and they got into the NFT space. They're saying they're gonna launch later this year. I believe there's like something like 10 million people who joined the waitlist. Like it's a really high number of people. So I would definitely recommend getting on this waitlist as well for early access, because I can personally guarantee that when Coinbase NFTs go live, they're gonna do extremely well, just because what I have seen on OpenSea and from what they're saying is Coinbase is also gonna be initially it's gonna be mostly based on Ethereum as well, which is the most popular one again. So it's going to do really well. So I would definitely recommend going on Coinbase /NFTs/announce and just joining their waitlist, because this is something definitely you don't want to don't want to miss out on. And whenever they go live and trading begins on Coinbase NFT, I'll definitely do an updated video for you guys, so you guys know how it works and how the transactions are going, what's going on with the whole Coinbase NFT platform. So I'll definitely keep you guys posted on that. And aside from that, I'm gonna wrap up this video. You know the platforms that you will be buying and selling from mostly, but if there's any other platforms, as there's so many, I will definitely add it in later.